Alright, a very good morning to everybody. Wisdom Master is my name, and I'll be sharing my thoughts on some assets on the reef and what I'll be looking at in the coming days to weeks and all that as far as these assets are concerned. Okay, so with that, let's get started. In the previous video, I told you about I shared my thoughts on 180. I shared my thoughts on um, Volatility 100 honest, and I shared my thoughts on what I'm looking at a downtrend on this one, and coming down to the force, you can see it's played out well. It's played out pretty well. Okay, I'm still expecting some room to the downside. Now for the monthly, if we go to the monthly, we'll see that. If we go to the monthly, we'll see that. Let me change this orientation so my stuff is okay. If we go to the monthly, we'll see that this is making lower lows here. Let me change again. Please bear with me. I have to be changing my screen up and down for the now. Okay, so you'll see that it's making lower lows. Okay, lower lows. Look at this now. That's my cross check. Oh my god. Okay, let's make do with this one now. See that it's making lower lows on, and I was expecting to continue going lower. At least we should see a revisit of 332.1 first, at least. At least that's where we'll take a profit on this trade. It's a very long term trade though. Let's see on the okay. And immediate TP should be 557, 555 thereabouts. Okay, between 560 and 555, we should take our first profit. Then if price breaks below this level, then we should be looking at 332 or thereabouts. Okay, but for now, the first target for this trade is 561. Okay, so that was that about this trade. It's already running one good profits already. Let's see what we can see on other assets. So let's go to volatility 10 index. Let's start from the monthly chart, and then on the monthly chart we can see that this market is currently ranging. Okay, first was doing lower lows and lower lows. Then from here it went back to this place, to this previous high, failed to take it, came back down to this range, and finally fell back here. Okay, fell back to the previous low, failed to take it. Now went back up. Okay, failed to attempt to take it, and it's bouncing back. Okay, so we expect that as it's bouncing back, it's going to go right into this 6853 level, and that's my expectation because the market appears to be ranging around this place. Even when at this price it broke below this high here, but it still failed to go higher. It came back and broke down within and even fell down to this low at 5889. So I'm expecting it to at least rise back to this level. It's a ranging market, ranging between these two levels for the now. So right now we can see it's heading right back up to that level 6868. around that area. So now, since we know what the market is trying to do on the monthly, we go down to the weekly. Okay, and on the weekly chart, I first took my levels. Okay, the first level I was very much interested in was this level right here. This level right here. Okay, this is the first level I was interested in, and I was interested in it for a reason. Okay, I'll show you why I'm interested in it. First and foremost, we can see that it was when the market fell down, fell below that level, and then tried to break above two. But I could not. I was getting supplies here. It was a supply level here, then it fell down to this level, broke and came up. Um, then it came a demand level at this point here. Okay, so I'm interested in that level. And if you scroll down, you will see that the same level was tested here. The same level was tested here. Look at it. Tested it here. It's a demand at this side. Then let's keep strolling back. You see it's a supply at this side. So that level is important. This level is very, very important. Okay. So that's the first level. Then the second level I was interested in is this level at the top here. The second level I'm interested in this level at the top here. Okay. Let me see this level here. Okay, yeah, this level here. I'm very, very much interested in that level. So I'm interested in that level here. Okay. So this level here, I'm very much interested in it. Okay. Why am I interested in it is because um, this was a very, very strong. This was a very, very strong supply level for many weeks. You can see very, very strong supply level here, here, supply here. Then it broke it. It turned demand here briefly. It came down, turned supply again. You see, so that level is very, very, very key as far as this volatility 10 index is concerned. Believe me, it's very, very key as far as this volatility 10 index is concerned. So, um, what I want to see, and when I looked closer, I saw, sorry, okay, when I look closer to the recent action, I saw a couple of lower lows, lower highs, sorry, the lower lows, quoi. Okay, I saw a couple of lower lows, okay. Oh, sorry, not this one. That's not what I want, okay. I saw a couple of lower lows here, lower highs, sorry, here, then here. See, those two are lower highs. Okay, so I drew a trend line connecting those two. So now, if this market is going to edge higher and to this level 6868 level, I expect this trend line to be broken. Okay, remember, whenever you see, where's that my stuff? Sorry, I'm still getting used to this. Okay, whenever you see a strong um, support, okay, level and a trend line intersect, you need a lot of buying pressure in this case to break above that point, and see the market is doing just that. So what I want to see, we're not in a hurry. Okay, it's just breaking the trend line. We don't just jump in and start chasing trades. We'll wait for the week to close because it's a weekly chart to be sure this trend is intact. Then we'll anticipate a retest back to this level. When it retest back to this level, we can ride it all the way up. This is a whole lot of pips, man. It's a whole lot of pips from from 6 to 9.8 down to 6.8. 6.8. That's a lot of points to accumulate. Okay, so we aren't in a hurry. We'll choose the best entry. Just follow me, and I will update you when it's time for us to ride. But for now, this on the radar, a very, very strong one. We already have Volatility 101S, a trade running currently, then V10 is on the horizon. Okay, so when this break happens, okay, let's view this on a lower time frame quickly. Sorry, this is really going to be a long one. Okay, this is going to be a long one. Let me go down to the daily time frame here. Okay, so on the daily time frame, the same scenario. Okay, just more clearer, and you can see why this level is important as far as this trade is concerned. This level is very important. Okay, so if this breaks, I expect to see a retest of this level. A retest of this level. Once a retest, because there's a lot of this was supply. It's going to turn. It has to turn demand, so it's going to run into it and will go haywire. Okay, you can see a clearer view on the 4 hours. You can see a clearer view on the 4 hours. Okay, I'm not up on the 4 hours. Okay, interesting. Let's wait for it to load. Okay, good. So, same view on the 4 hours, it's just clearer, more highs and lows. So that's what we'll be looking at. Okay, this thing is taking time to load. So let's okay. So the same scenario. Okay, same scenario. You can see, uh, same scenario, same thing, just amplified. Okay, just same thing, just amplified. Okay, so, and you can even see, even on the 4 hours, you can see it's already doing higher highs after even breaking it. Okay, it came, retest, and it's going. Well, let's see. This is an early entry though. Yeah, it's an early entry though. But I would like to see a retest of this level, or worst case scenario, a pullback to this high here. This yes, a pullback to this level. Okay, before I'll pull the trigger on this trade. I'm not comfortable entering like this. Okay, there's always a better entry, and the market will always give us a better entry. Okay, so that's that about this prayer. Okay, let's go straight to okay, V25 before we look at V50. Let's go to V25. V25 has been going parabolic. Let's start with the monthly as usual. Okay, V25 is currently going parabolic. It has broken two key levels on the monthly. You see, I'll show you these levels on the weekly for a better view. This level and this level is broken through these levels. But since it's broken through this level, it has not retested that level. So I would like to see a retest of this level. And then the month has not even ended yet, so it's a monthly chart. It can still pull back and close below though. Yes, it can still do that. If you look at this one, this candle here came high, okay, and pull back, and there's a lot of liquidity here. So I think the market might just take that liquidity and go back down, so it can still pull back into that range. Should it pull back into this range, I will see a visit of this level. If it remains intact above this level, then I will see a visit of this level and we take the ride up. Okay, a visit of that level and take the ride up. So that's that on the. Let's go to the weekly. Yes, this is that key level, and this is this key level. Just look right, you see the level as well. Okay, so see demand and then off. This thing has moved. Okay, then supply here. What's demand there? Supply here. So this on that key level and seems to have broken through. Okay, so let's see how this goes. I expect a retest of this level if it holds. Okay, I expect a retest of this level if it holds, and if that happens, we'll take the ride up. So that's that for V25. And it's bullish. It's bullish actually. It's bullish. No special entries yet. I'm still watching, expecting a pullback. I'm still watching and expecting a pullback to this level. I'm expecting a pullback to that level. If there's a retest of that level, we go right in and move up. Now, first, one thing very important, not just a retest. Let's be a retest. What we're looking at a retest of this level and price bouncing back. As in, there should be a reaction back up when it touches this level. Then we know we're ready to fly. Until then, if it touches it and breaks below, we're going right back down. Okay, so that's that about that. That's that about this pair. We're waiting for the retest back for we'll know what next to do, how to pull the trigger next. Okay, then finally let's look at V50. V50 is another very interesting pair. Let me move this with many things and I'll put on my chart. Okay, I was just checking out something. Let's go to the monthly. Yeah, and on V50 we can see there's so much going on right now. Okay, this red bar, this red region I did here is a strong acted as a strong supply level on the monthly chart for ages, for as long as I can see on this pair V50 index, and it's currently at that supply at that demand level. Okay, and when price runs to a demand level, they expect prices to shoot up. So that's what I'm looking at. That's what I'm looking at. I'm expecting a price pullback up to um to this level first. Okay, I'm playing a price pullback, but let's go to the weekly so we can see these levels clearly. Okay. Okay. This trade line. Okay. I don't want this trade line. But no, let's just leave it like that. Okay. So the levels I'm very much interested in is this level here. You can see the level acted as a demand here. It's a demand here, right? And sorry, and it also acted as another um it's also acted as there's a demand somewhere. It's acted as a demand there here, and then it's acted as a supply here. It's acted as a supply here. Okay, it's acted as a supply here. So that's why that level is quite important, and any pullback will first visit the 183.9468 level first. This level, any pullback will revisit this level first. This area, this level, this line first is going to visit this level first. Okay, once it revisits that place, if it breaks through, then we're ready to go. But for now, for this V50, our only take profit level is at that level. There are other key supply and demand levels, but those are not yet as important as this level. I have this key level of 183.9458. I strongly believe prices market is going to shoot back into that area very very soon. I expect that. Okay, okay, yeah, good. I expect the price to shoot into that level very soon. Okay. Then if that level is broken, I expect price to pull to the next level, which is this level here I just drew. Okay, but from this place, from this low here, from this demand zone, our first target is from 151 going to 183, 185. Okay, this red line here, you can just plot it on your chart. Okay, 183.9468. So that will be our first target. And the price is already on its way to that level already. Okay, so if you have not entered, let's see how we can take advantage of this. Let's go to the lower time frame. Okay, you can see. Okay, let's see how we can take advantage of this. On 1 hour, still the same supply levels. um I'm trying to go back in time to check that level again. Okay, good, good, good. Okay, good. um what I'm seeing is this. It's just the price is already on its way back up. It might dance around this lows a little bit at this place. Might dance around this place, this area, these levels, because it's ranging on this narrow level currently. But a break of this level, we see us spiral back up to that, but it definitely has to go up. Okay, but if you enter lower, you're lucky. Okay, you're lucky. If you enter lower, you're lucky. Let's see forward so you can get clearer entries. Okay. Mm, 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 mm. I can't see any clear entry for the now, but if for any reason, a good entry is this. If for any reason price bounces returns back to 151.3899, this area, if the price returns to this area, okay, to this area here, this area, this low here, if it returns to that level, you can enter for a buy again. If it returns to these lows here, this area, this zone, if it returns to those lows there, you can enter for a buy again and just keep riding up till it breaks. It's definitely going to break. Let's see if we can put out a trend line there. I'm seeing two highs we can link together to form. Okay, this high and this high here. You can see it's even broken it. Okay, okay, those two highs properly linked together. It broke it, retested this level. There is a little this level here, retested it very well. Yes, this is a sub demand and supply level here. I'll make it different. I'll use a red line. I will edit it to a red line. This is a small supply and then demand level here. Look at it. Look at it. Let me edit it so that it would look different. Okay, I want it to be red. I want it to be red. And I want it to be dotted so you can see the difference. Okay, good. This there is, let's be quick about this. Okay, we have a little, this is a okay, here is was a supply level here, it's a demand level here, so it's very important on the 4 hours. And if you and when you see the price, excuse me, sorry, um price bounced off that level. Look at it broke the trend line, meaning we're going up, came back, tested this level I just drew, and we're going right back up. So this level, this place here was a good place to enter this trade. Okay, that was 153.4975. If you are entering now, your stop loss should be below structure, which should be around 152.1612. If you are entering now, your stop loss should be around 152.1612, and the take profit, of course, can be as high as the level I indicated on the weekly. Okay, yes, as high as this level. So in all, we are waiting. So your TP should be at this level. Still a very long move. Make some good money there. Okay, I hope this analysis has helped a lot. I hope it has helped a lot. So in all, we're looking at for in summary 100 is already on the trade and we are heading down. We're on this trade and we're heading down smoothly and swiftly to our TP. Then for V10, we are on a buy and I expect um, a retest of 6 to 9 8 level, or I'm waiting for the week to close and see how it closes before deciding on the next move. I expect it to break. If it breaks, a retest of 6 to 9 8 level, and we are off. For V25, same scenario. A test of I want to see how. Um, okay, this is a weekly chart. Already true. Okay, already true. For V25, it's already a buy. Okay, but I expect a retest of this level. I expect a retest of this level, and once price returns to this area, you're good to go. But it's already a buy. Okay, it's already a buy on V25. Then for V50, I just want to buy too. I'm expecting one to buy right now. You can still enter now. I gave the stop loss level earlier. Okay, I hope this helps. I hope this helps. I hope this helps. Please always share your thoughts with me so we can rub minds and make this money together. Have a blessed week ahead. God bless you.